Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to remove or delete a local user on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Now I'm going to show you how to delete a user from Windows 10 computer. Right click on Start, click on Computer Management, expand local user and computer, select users. Now right click on your test user, which I want to delete from my Windows 11 computer. And now click on delete. And this is a notification. Are you sure you want to delete this user, the user test user? Click on yes. Click on OK. So the test user has been deleted from my computer. Now close computer management. Click on start and click on user here. Look, test user is not in my computer right now. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.